What platform do you recommend used around $20,000? Looking to get into something relatively cheap to maintain and do some simple mods. There's a lot. Depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for something bigger, I really recommend like a 4M Q7. You can get those for 10 to 15 grand right now. They're just a steal. You can throw $6,000 of our parts at it, and it is actually it's a big riotous car, fun to drive, fast, actually a great handling car. I really recommend doing our ZTF wheels, and on one car I've got our 20s, on another I've got our 21s. The 20-inch car has 305s. The 21-inch car has 315s. There's just no shortage of grip with those cars. It's a really fun car, cheap, reliable cars. B.5 S4s, really fun.
Well, those are certainly available.
Tons
in
you
that range.
can do.
Mark 7s are still
Mark 7s are really fun, and I don't know how much they've gone down in price, but
They're so cheap.
are they cheap now?
You get them for like 10 to 15.
Yeah,
They were still like in the 20s.
Yeah, that's a lot of car with a lot of potential and a lot of aftermarket support.
You can even get into a B9.
You can do some life hacks for B9 S4s. There's guys I know of that have picked up like a salvage B9 that was mechanical salvage, but it was only mechanical because of the piston skirt issue, and then it was dealer warranted after they picked it up because it was a known fault. So there are some hacks that I've seen people do around that.
I think you can even get good running ones for under 20.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I'm not saying you have to do it that way either.
Yeah, but you get a B9 S4 for less than 20.
Yep.
B9 A4s are great cars. B9 half A4s.
Yeah, I don't know if the budget here is all in with the mods or if we're just starting on a platform for 20. So.
I mean, pretty much any Audi that's, like an S or A car that's more than 8 years old is pretty much going to fall in that price.
You're going to be able to find something like that.
A7s are really cool, fun cars, interesting cars. You can get into those.
Yeah, knowing a little more about what kind of what kind of car you're looking for, because there's a spectrum here. We've gone from hatchbacks to SUVs.
Yeah.